Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Ellie. If you're new here, this channel is about building my house, and my house is made of clay, straw and sand. And yeah, it's a little bit of progress. It's gonna be a round house. It's gonna be all natural and breathable, non-toxic, and it's just, yeah, you just being surrounded by a hug from Mother Nature. So this video is an update because this is a really exciting time for me because we already put the tubes for the electric for our solar so for our solar circuit. And to get to this point, it's just really amazing because we live off grid for 13 years, and to get to this point, to get here, it took us a lot of challenges that we had to go through, obstacles, life is happening, and just to be patient to get to this point, to finally do it. And now that we're getting to the step of doing the electric, it's just really amazing. We are so really happy with it, so I'm really excited about this. So as you can see, we already put the tubes. This is going to be our first sockets. Yeah, first sockets. And what we did is, like, when we are putting the to fix the tubes in place so they stay in place, you just throw a bunch of cob on top of it and it will stick, and everything sticks together. It's just amazing how this works. It's just earth. You can just work with earth. I don't know. I'm still in awe every time when I work with it. It's like it's so hard. I'm hurting almost my hand, but it's just earth. And so yeah, this is really amazing. So this video is just a really quick update. I'm making cob right now, and I'm gonna apply it here because first we did the whole calculation. Danielle is actually more in charge of it. That is my partner. And he went to this electrician that we know as a friend, and we already, of course, planned where everything is going to be, where the sockets are going to be, the switches. And there are going to be so many sockets and switches. I love this word, socket and switches, because I'm just happy that we're going to do this. So like I said, it's a very quick update. So that is what I'm gonna do. I just wanna share also that if you're interested to see behind the scenes how we made this, like how we put the tubes, what kind of tubes, the nitty gritty behind the scenes, how we made this, me and Danielle, I will put the link under below. You can watch that if you're interested. It's a kind of a membership thing that you can just yeah, watch and follow along with the whole progress and behind the scenes how we're gonna build this house and what everything that comes with it, how we are gonna do it. So yeah, I'm excited. The electric. So we have a lot of tubes. There's gonna be more, but this is the beginning, and I'm just really happy with this. And another good news that there is, I don't know if you noticed, but the previous video, it was there was no blue sky because we had a lot of wildfires around here, and thank God it's now laying down, it's under control. And yeah, it was really wild, and it was really horrific to have ashes falling down and just the fires. And I'm just thinking trees, the animals, and but it's now under control, which is really good news. And for the rest, yeah, and next week it's gonna cool down, which is really good. That means that it's not gonna be so hot, and hopefully it will be less fire, so that's really great. So yeah, I just wanted to have a quick share update about the electric circuit installment. So yeah, well, that is another step on the cob house, and it is a long process. and I will be sharing every step of the way right here. So if you are curious to see how it all turns out, be sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you know when I'm gonna have the next video. And if you learned something from this video, please like it because it really helps my channel. Really appreciate that. So, and for now, thank you for watching, and have a great day, week, wherever you are. And if you have any questions or put the question on the comment below, and I will see what I can do. And for the rest, ciao ciao.